here. Okay, I know it's a bit crazy because I didn't came on YouTube for a while. As you know, no videos uploaded. I know you guys are a bit angry on me. I understand. I totally understand. That's my fault because I was so busy on my schoolwork actually because you know I got so many works to do in personal and also professional as our team Frisco is being it's a tough time for us. I hope you understand and still no views, man. What's wrong with you? I know you all are awake at this time, but still I don't have any views. I hope that you watch this live stream tomorrow whenever you are free, and that's fine. Okay. So why I wanted to do this is because I need to announce some basic things, uh, which is a bit necessary for you to learn. Okay. So we have several options on Frisco, and we are developing our team in a way that it enriches our viewers to to get more interesting and also mainly on Cyber Cypher. So the main goal why I started Cyber Cypher is is to because to fulfill the need of the tech, the doubts about tech, because I personally had so much doubts about tech, like how a thing works, including a code. If you write a program, I don't know how it works. So I searched on Google or anything. I will not get an answer for that. So uh, that's the reason why I started CyberCypher. I need to make the guys in my field, they if their mindset is it's just like me, then CyberCypher can help them at that time. So that's the reason why I started that. And also another thing which has been a big thing, another thing that I want to say is that why I didn't appear on YouTube or any other social media platforms for a bit while. So it is because right now I'm in 10th grade, man. I'm actually so busy. So I know it's kind of, it's kind of not not so natural, I know, but that's the truth actually. Even though when I'm busy, I need my personal time to spend some time on social media and leaving myself out of stress and doing I also that's it means it does not mean that I wasted all these months, all these days. I didn't wasted them actually. So I actually just you know done some productive work. That's the that's the main thing actually. So what have I done about you know all these days? So what I've done was I was just sitting in front of my computer. I started to code. I started to learn to code. I coded different types of platform based apps, not only several type of in a single platform. I actually developed actually became myself uh, as an Android developer. I actually uh, launched some Android applications on Google Play Store, and also I made some desktop programs uh, for the desktop computers, for the PCs, and you can install them. And I launched it on GitHub. Everything is open source because I love open source. I worked on some big collaborative projects which ever built, including Linux. So all these days I've been working, I've been uh, taking a big break. Then I just focused on my own um, my own personal life. Okay, so what I've been doing all these years, so this year is a big tragedy to me actually, because there are so many uh, hurdles during this year, so that just made me to feel like I should just get a break from YouTube. So that's why I actually suddenly stopped posting any videos for about uh, 8 to 7 months seems. So that's also one of the reasons. And why this year is a tragic year for me, it's a bit complicated, it's a bit emotional, it's a bit personal, and I don't feel comfortable to express it on a platform like CyberCipher, okay? So I know this is a tech-based channel where I clear all your tech-based doubts and I teach you some computer stuffs. That's what Cyber is. But still, I just wanted to tell that all my subscribers are just wanting to know that why I didn't post any videos. And actually, okay, the team is now messaging. Frisco team is messaging right now. Let me just hop onto my computer to answer them because the phone is busy right now. So let me just hop on to the computer. There we go. So I'm going to display some of the apps that I've made during this year. Okay, I got some mails. That's good. I'll check them later. This is the important thing. I said before, I'm a bit busy. Okay, so I got some mails from my fans and my supporters, co-workers on YouTube and Linux, every stuff like that. So, okay, so right now I got so many messages on WhatsApp. Let me just reply that. So, there we go. Let me just share the link to everyone so that all can come and watch the live stream. There we go. And okay, so everyone is starting a live video. Okay, that's good actually. It's there. Anyways, all are starting a live video. So what? We are here to do our live video actually. So just link address and just paste it. I'm doing a bit of coding work here and there. There we go. So I'm going to show you some apps that I made. Okay, that's the main important thing. So let's just go to Play Store, Google.com, and yeah, there we go. So I'll go to apps. So let me just show you. Okay, wait a minute. So right here, I'm inside the Google Play Store. It's the web desktop version. I know it's not the much, but the phone is busy. So I can just go to the search bar, search for Scradle. So we have these two apps, right? So I got these two apps. So these two apps are my personal own app. Okay, I coded them. I'm the programmer of these app. So Scradle and open source music player. I got it. And I also developed some apps here. So you can see more. I have Frisco Creative Labs right here, the Frisco group, and I have all my apps in Google Play Store. There we go. So I actually launched 5 apps. So this one is it's just uh, it's a scam, not in a way that you think. It's just a joke. I created this for a comedy, and this thing is the Scredo Lite version for older smartphones, and then also the this is the CyberCipher app I made. So the CyberCipher app is nothing but it's just under development, but I launched the beta version anyways. So these are my apps, and then let me just show you the Comedy app, okay? So this is the Comedy app that I've been talking about. There we go. So the rate is 1,000 rupees, and it just shows you this single screen in a different tones, just like that. Can you just look at that? Look at the beauty of that. Okay. Anyways, so I'm going to show you the desktop apps that I made. So here we go. GitHub.com. Not here. Let me just go on. Open that in Microsoft Edge. There we go. So GitHub.com. Okay. So I have all my apps right here. So these are only for the desktop apps. So I don't have any mobile apps right here. I have this Cradle, but it's not completed yet. I need to release the update for the app. So this is Pekka browser. So this browser is mainly built with Python, with PyQt5 web engine widgets, some basic here and there Python code, and that's how I built this browser. I also built 2 text editors like Notepad, and I got 2 Notepad like text editors here and there. So that's what I've been doing for this year. Okay, since I took a break, and the tragedy. That's the important thing. That's the most um, most important thing. I don't feel comfortable to talk that here, but anyways, I'm going to tell you that. So, actually, what happened this year was on May 29th, I lost my dad due to COVID-19 virus. You know, shit happens. I understand that, okay? So that's the main tragedy what happened this year. And all I want is to pass this year as soon as possible so that I don't need to get into the same mood again and again and to, you know, to crumble myself up. So I just need to pass this year. That's why I just needed a break, dudes, because I don't need to post this because I'm not doing this as professional channel. You know, this is just for my hobby, just as like how would I like this to be, and I know this doesn't seem much because even still now. So uh, this is the reason why I've not told that to anyone because I don't want anybody to show sympathy to me. I don't want anybody to show sympathy to me. I just want everyone to to behave as it is. I don't want anybody to show sympathy just because I got a big tragedy this year. I That's why I didn't inform anyone to anyone like my friends or my teachers or even you guys. I didn't inform you because I don't want anybody to show, oh god, this boy has just lost his father. He's so, you know, he's I don't want the feel, man. I just want to be a normal kid. So that's what I want. So that's why I didn't inform you anything. And also, that's the tragedy. And I know I should be very brave at this time. Let's do this. We are in Cyber. Let's do this. So, and very soon, me and my team are going to come to live stream very soon as possible. Not now, not very soon. Of course, we will come. That's confirmed. But we are going to come to the live stream, and we are going to make it clear that oh, cool filters. Anyways, okay. So, me and my team are going to come to live stream very soon, and once we get to there, we will just inform you all the changes we made on Frisco and what are the plans that we made on Frisco. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my later video. Bye. How do I end this? There we go.